Morning everyone, day 18. Day 18 we're going to look at a little structure which is going to enhance and copy. Also introduce a new one which is going to be Polygon. Still have circle inscription, fill in some lines and our dimensions. We're going to do a little bit on some bolt theory as well. So let's have a look at today's challenge. This is today's challenge. This is like a 3-part little bolt system, which is like a supporting little flange clasp. Basically 3 bolts, so you could basically connect 3 bits of strut together. So this one fairly basic on the dimensions. It's 100 center, 70 then between the verticals, so left and right, and you have obviously 100. It's around 2 center lines, so we've got 2 verticals, 1 horizontal, so it makes 2 points of reference at every given point in time. And then we have some couple of fillets, that R30 and R25, which go around the outside. And we have a some set sizes, so we have a 40mm washer. Okay, we have a nut which is 30 across the flats. And then we have a, which is basically on top of an M18 × 2 bolt. So we don't get told any lengths because obviously that's for another view, but this is a good one to try and get stuck in, and you're going to have a bit of a research, you know, what is a nut 30 across flats, what's the size, what is an M18 × 2 bolt size as well. So good luck, and tune in at 6 PM for the solution.